fi subscribe. All of the viewers then, big up all of the subscribers. And if you haven't subscribed to Jamaica Extra, just go ahead and subscribe. Yes man, do yourself a favor and hit the like button. So me could talk about this. Vybz Kartel drop one new video called The Comet. And may I tell you, it'll make enough artists want vomit. But before him drop the video, him take to Instagram for leave a little message to him fans them. Him said this.
Time, you know, Vybz Kartel. And Gaza Nation, you want to do. Run go over to Vybz Kartel Vivo for watch the world premiere of the new video. I thought I told you that the comet is coming. Down or not.
Yes people. So after him leave that video there, him upload him new video, The Comet, and may I tell you, it start burn up Instagram, it start burn up TikTok, it start burn up everywhere. Mostly YouTube, because that's where it uploads, so people was able to kind of check out the video from start to finish. And may I tell you, within about 2 to 3 days, people, the video itself, you know, blow up. It became a trending topic on YouTube. And it shows you that the world boss can still collect these numbers. So within the space of 3 days, the video itself had over 2 million views and over 150,000 likes. So that for sure you say the Gaza Nation is still at it, people, and them now make Kartel feel, tell you the truth. And the music good too. It's not all about the hype. It's about music, and if the music good, people will revolve around it and listen it. So here Kartel did have to say about this now.
A few people, not a lot, just a few people. Well, I don't know if I joke them and make them serious, but a few people have said, boy, Kartel, you get soft, you turn one burner, you this, you that. Bro, a different life, man, I live here. What do you want to do? See man go back to prison and them thing the dog. So that lifestyle, when you not go see that, you see me? Yeah, I don't want a man tell me about no this and no that and no badness and them thing the dog. Dog, remember man born and go evil in them there. A bill man, a bill from them life, you see it? Who know and who no know just don't know. You see me? Man, life happier. Life is always happy because you don't know from it becomes Vybz Kartel and I make money and I told the world. My life happy right now, my life happier. So you know what I say? So nothing I know one. Me even go certain place, so a boy can't see me and try to draw me out. You see it? Just know that my dead. So I'm here living my bestest life. No?
Oh.
Yes, people. So what I show you right there so is that the world boss is just him reach a level of maturity, and certain things that him used to do, him now go do it. You understand? Him now go make nobody draw him out so he can go back to prison. And that's a big thing. You know what I mean? So big up to the world boss. Big man thing. And he might enjoy himself. He got Dolly Sunday and he might do the drift. Enjoy himself to the fullest. That's what I'm talking about. Living your life to the fullest and don't make nobody come tell you no foolishness. You see what I say? Because once you're a big man or a big woman, you know, you don't know, say, you just have to just live your life to the way you want to live it. Especially with this man, you know, locked up for 13 years. You must can enjoy his life. And furthermore, you can't make people draw you out. Because the same people them are going to draw you out are the same people are going to left you out. You see what I say? So, what do you think about that? You think the world boss a move positive? You think say he might make all of the right strides them? You know? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Matter of fact, I'm going to go check out the new video where him drop, The Comet, and let me know how you feel about that. Let me know if you think say Kartel is back, like this is the old Kartel, or is this the new Kartel? What do you think? You know, leave in a comment in the comment section below. Until next time, we'll chat again. Big up on yourself. I'm out.